Okay, we are looking at number 6 on your study guide. Go ahead and turn to number 6 in the study guide. We are looking at the question that's asking me, which tool is used to measure air pressure? I see some words that I want to talk about. I have which tool, actually let's change that to yellow. Which tool measures air pressure? Now, let's interact a little bit with our A, B, C, and D. I know that an anemometer measures wind speed. I know that a barometer measures air pressure. I am going to eliminate, sorry about that, eliminate psychrometer. That is something we never even talked about in class. And last, I know that I have a thermometer that measures temperature. I know the answer is not C. I am looking for air pressure. It would not be A. It is definitely not C. It is not D. The best answer is B, barometer. A barometer measures air pressure. One thing that I remember is low pressure is lousy, if Mr. Bullens can spell, weather, which equals rain. High pressure is happy weather, and it's going to equal sunny skies.